of talent. Drama students will be competing in wit, physical, and performing competitions. Young actors have been divided into 3 opposing teams: the RG2s, the Lion Kings, and the Shakespeareans. Watch as they go head-to-head in order to compete for the ICT Showdown Championship Trophy. Now let's get started. It's time for Up for Grabs. Each team will have an assigned player grab as many things as they can from this pile of junk. Ready, set, go!
I was thinking about coloring patterns and themes.
Before she went out to grab them, she told us she wasn't going to be grabbing for quantity, she was going to be grabbing for quality.
Like, the other teams weren't doing anything correctly. They were kind of just grabbing things.
When I heard that we only had 30 seconds, I was like, dang, we don't have that much time and I need to hurry.
I wish they grabbed like the makeup kit.
I just went and got stuff.
There was a Knight's helmet. I kind of wish I got that, but I didn't get there in time.
I was screaming, get the leaves! Get the leaves!
I was trying to get like things that would match with a theme, so I picked like 3 kind of themes.
I wish I was the one grabbing all the stuff because like I'm the quickest in the team, I'm the fastest.
Now it's time for part 2 of Up for Grabs. You may notice that each team has a young boy. Well, these young men are going to be your actors. The 2 teammates who didn't run up to grab props will be creating your very own costume with the pieces that they gathered from the pile. Rebecca, what are the rules?
Rule number 1. You can only use the props and costume pieces that your teammate has gathered. There are no exchanging between teams. Rule number 2, you'll have 10 minutes to complete your costumes. Ready, set, go!
Okay, you guys got a fat suit.
I'm gonna
It
die.
looks like a butter plant, but okay.
I'm gonna die right now. I am going to
You
die.
want a beard? Put a fat suit and a beard on. This is not a beard. This is fuzzy things for your legs. They're leg warmers.
So, we're gonna empty this out and see what we have to work with.
I have the best of the best.
Certainly did. Okay, this is a shirt.
I know.
Probably gonna use that. There
I
is.
can make Andy and-
Why do we have so many hats?
I just grabbed it.
We have a night hat.
Yes.
We have
Wait, do we have
like
to use
3 golfers' caps.
We don't have to use it.
We have a Shakespearean neck ruffle.
You're welcome.
Why?
We have a mad scientist wig.
Please, I
Prefer
need
that.
that.
Okay, and then we have
A beard or a wig?
it's a wig.
Oh my gosh, that would be perfect for
Uh,
a princess idea.
That would be a perfect. And then we have that. And we also
Oh my gosh.
we have a vest.
Supposed to be like
That's
this.
perfect.
Okay.
I know I grabbed
I
that.
think I have an idea.
This is weak.
Makeup kits.
That's useful.
So we have that. We tie this around your waist like a skirt.
Yes.
We take the vest, that
That would be so
and then
fun.
we use the Shakespeare neck ruffle and one of the weird hats that you grabbed. Put it with that, boom, you have
And then
grandma.
we
And
can
you
use
also
a
use
cane.
the cane.
Ice paint?
Ooh, I have an idea. Since we have a bead, we can try to make it good. Oh,
And you got this.
I can't.
Wait,
like,
we can make
touch
the
it.
wings out of sticks and
Yeah,
or
but we can put the fabric over the stick and like do something. Like try to tape it in the back.
How do we
wait,
do
you
this?
can turn
Or
it
do you?
into a
No,
cake.
I think your arms go
Why
like
don't you
this.
still
look smaller.
You
Wait,
can turn-
stop.
You can turned me into a caveman.
He's too tiny for the fat suit.
What
Skirt.
What about the grandma thing you threw off?
Ooh, the bathroom thing? You should do like a hairy grandma.
I do wish we could have used the pickaxe that I just dropped. I do wish we could have used this.
Yeah.
I'll help him.
Fortnite.
We are not doing Fortnite theme.
Oh my god. We can do that. We should do that.
Oh yeah, I got my beard from my grandma.
It's an apron too. Is this an apron? This is not an apron. Well, it is. Check out this.
It's an old.
This is a vest. Okay, well
What
you're
is that?
putting on the boat. What is this?
It looks like puke.
Yo, this is an apron! Oh my gosh! This is perfect! No, it's not gonna work! Looks like you got a blanket. Turn this way, CJ! CJ! Lord!
You're breaking him. He's 20.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, this is gonna trail on you.
Maybe we can.
We don't have any scissors. We can't cut it. That we're first gonna cinch it in the back, so that way we can get it in the front.
All right. This.
What did you do?
Oh, we don't know what he's doing. You got this. Okay, this is looking great.
And then we could probably make it go one more
You guys
time.
got this.
Put the head on the stick.
Yes! A bird with a stick head. A staff with a head on it.
Like King.
That's a good idea.
God, y'all are gruesome.
We need to stop changing
Make
ideas.
me a hairy snake. We have like 30 minutes.
I just realized. Wait a minute. I don't think there's any paintbrushes.
Yes, there are right here.
Yeah, there's one
You
more.
really think that I can paint your face with that? No, there's a couple sponges.
Sorry, you're stuck as a granny. Tuck your hair back. You look. I cannot see the front. It works. Okay, we're gonna go with the gray because it matches the rest of the colors. So what if we take it and we fold it in half this way,
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
so that way
Yeah, so
you know
Half as big.
it won't
it's half as big and isn't trailing on the floor behind you.
And it won't make me look like a princess or anything.
Yeah,
I mean, we were debating a
I was
princess
thinking
for you.
mermaid.
I'm gonna have to tape it around the back of his head.
Oh! That's
I am 9
Oh, it's-
years old.
Good job. We got the best 9-year-old.
Yes, we did. Take this.
That's
It's a shawl.
Actually,
It's a
no, I
granny
think
shawl.
put it over the head.
Oh, put it over the head.
Oh, you're a genius.
You are an absolute
See,
genius.
I'm glad you got your.
I'm glad you
My
arrived.
brain.
Why are we doing this?
I mean, it's your idea.
We need comedy. This is comedy gold.
No, this is not comedy gold. This is great for us.
Bro, see if I can help, this will be so much easier.
Bit of a brain.
Okay. So, do you think we'll get points for him being in like a character based on his costume?
Yes. If you just like one.
Granny.
Okay. Do you know how to do a granny walk?
Mess with me.
Yes. Do you know how to pull off the cape? Yes, you do. Fantastic.
Wait. Try to untangle. Do these untangle? What are you?
This is as much as they're going to untangle.
What are we supposed to do with all of these vines?
Tape them on
Tape them on?
in the back, because nobody's gonna see the back.
No, wait, we might need to like, no, I think these untangle more. See, look. You're breaking the props.
It was sort of my idea to add the vines, and everybody else thought of everything else.
I wish we got a pair of scissors though. That would have been useful.
Oh yeah, that looks good, yeah. No, now we just need to put the beak on him and then put face paint on him.
Why would we put a beak on him? He has a tail. What?
Exactly, that's gonna make it more fun.
It's animated.
Daniel got a lot of different props that you couldn't really put in a costume together. So we had a head and a stick. I was like, let's put the head on the stick, but that was a little bit deep. So I was like, well, Elizabeth was like, let's make like a bird or something. So that we tried everything to get the tail on, because we were going to make a bird creature, but it didn't work out, so we just made a wolf.
Pain is beauty. I'm CJ. Pain is beauty.
Now let's
See, Vine is not dead. Okay. This is 2021 fashion.
put the hat on.
It's avant-garde. Goodness.
No, this is just 2020 fashion. The end of the
Wait,
world.
could we put this on his head?
Yes.
Oh, your head's too big.
This is like caveman used to look like. Don't look at me.
Granny's having a bad hair day. Granny's not having the best day. Really though?
Who is this maniac in front of me?
Oh my gosh!
You're a widower. Of whom I don't know.
Now put the hat on it.
No, they're not on it yet. Stop.
Sorry. You might actually get cast as a grandma after this.
Oh, I am a fish.
I'm sure if we had the makeup kit, we could do more. But you know what? Under the 30-second pressure I had, I felt, without the makeup kit, it just kind of, it was weird. And then he got like all these vines, and I was so confused because we had like 15 things of vines left over, and we used like 3 of them.
Looks like the Mad Hatter of the 2.
Okay, first off, I do not know what the
Audrey 2s are up to, Jason?
yes, because the curtain's in the way. But the Shakespeareans, they're making Hayden look like a wolf. They're gonna fail because
We got Grandma and the Wolf! Guys, Granny just got hit by the bus from the home. She's gone. She's dead.
maybe they'll pay for her.
Fair. We did have a life insurance policy on
Oh
her.
no, he's dead.
Whoa.
You just leave him on the street.
No, we need her alive. No, we need her alive. Are you kidding me? I was going to be rich.
Don't smile. Wait, I got it. Okay, one of us is gonna take one for the team and die. We're gonna frame Granny until we put in prison for life. I want her to die. Fantastic. Hold still.
I'm dead.
Okay. Okay. Hey Granny, can you hold this for me? Thank you. Okay. Police! Help! My grandmother, she just killed somebody! She just killed my cousin!
Oh no.
Cousin, then again, she's desecrating corpses, Your Honor. You need to lock her away. She's insane.
Up first, we have Aaron representing Team Lion King.
Who are you? Don't look at me. I teach you a lesson, you whippersnapper.
So, what were you thinking in the process of making this?
Honestly, I don't think I was thinking. But if you're looking for a more technical answer, we had the white wig and the yellow scraps of fabric, as well as the blue and whatnot. And when we saw the cane, that's really when it came to me like, hey, Grandma. Briley came up with the little kerchief on Granny Fish's head. So
Oh,
that
it's called
was,
Granny Fish?
yes, her name is Granny Fish Harnese. We're trying to put her in a home, but the home won't take her. And she keeps eating all of my pizza rolls, and I cannot take it anymore.
So, I see that you came up with a story behind the costume. And that's great for creative thinking. But how exactly did you come up with really backstory? Like, why did you put in a backstory?
Honestly,
What was the purpose?
we finished our costume design really early on. So we had like 20 minutes to kill. So we just started doing improv about whatever. And that is how Granny Fish, the immortal grandmother, came about.
Next up is CJ representing the Audrey 2.
Let's get it over with before I cough up another hairball.
Why exactly did you make this?
Well, at first, that was not in my line of vision. First, we were like, oh, we have leg warmers, we have a beard, we got this weird thing that we think would go in a grandma's bathroom. Like, oh, hairy grandma from the 80s. So we thought that at first.
How did that change?
Why
Why did that change?
Logan saw the vines, and she's like, oh, what's that vines? And then I seen the snake skin thing. I'm like, oh, yeah. And then for some reason we were like, oh, an animal. But then I'm like, oh no, he looks like a homeless person. We'll make him a homeless person. So this is Archibald, and he's homeless, and he coughs up fur balls as, yeah.
Well, that's amazing, and it is a great costume.
And last but not least, Hayden representing Shakespeare.
Where's that kid? She took my food and I wanna eat her.
Well, that's a very interesting costume.
Well, the person that went on stage and grabbed all the stuff ended up getting a makeup box. So we went through bird. We started thinking about birds because we had a beak as well. But then we were like, I don't know how that's going to work. But then I saw the tail. And I was like, well, let's just make him into a fox or whatever. So I suck at face painting.
Well, don't doubt yourself. Practice makes perfect, I think. But so it wasn't your original thought to use the tail, but you had to improvise. How would you say the improvising went? Would you say it was better than your original idea?
I feel like if I had thought a little bit more about how to make him have wings, it would have looked a lot better than that. But
Well, there you have it, folks. 3 teams, 3 costumes. Who will be the winner of the second round on ICT Showdown? Will it be Team Shakespeare, Team RG2s, or Team Lion King? Let's get ready to find out. Rebecca, what do the judges have to say?
So, for our first review with Aaron and the Lion Kings, they collected the least amount of items from the pile and still managed to put together a cohesive costume. I believe they did a good job with what they had. However, it would have been nice to see something not as generic. Therefore, they lost a few points on creativity. Final score, 26 out of 30. Now, for CJ and the Audrey 2s. I was confused until it was explained. However, the pieces chosen complemented each other well. This was the most creative of the 3. However, it seems a bit muddled. And nobody would know what he is without an explanation. It seems rushed. Final score, 23 out of 30. Now, for the final of the 3. Hayden of the Shakespeareans. I had no clue what this was. I would have liked to see more items used as your team had grabbed a good bit. The idea was good, but not executed well. With the amount of things they could have used, including the makeup kit, I would have expected more creatively and a more elaborate costume. Final score, 13 out of 30.
it just feel like you let your team down and it hurts a lot. And next time, we're gonna get them though.